In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung Wallet shortcut. First, open Samsung Wallet on your device. You can find the app on your home screen or in your app drawer. The icon usually resembles a wallet, making it easy to locate. Once you tap the icon, you'll be greeted by the main interface of Samsung Wallet, which showcases your cards and payment options. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for customizing your shortcut preferences. Having easy access to your Samsung Wallet can significantly enhance your experience, allowing for quick payments and efficient management of your cards. Next, tap the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, or the More option denoted by three vertical dots. This action is typically located in the upper corner of the screen. By selecting this option, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various settings and features. This menu is essential as it provides you with the necessary navigation tools to access the settings you'll need for customization. Take your time to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it will help you navigate through Samsung Wallet efficiently. Now tap Settings from the menu options. This will redirect you to a new screen where you can adjust various preferences related to your wallet. Here, you can customize security settings, payment options, and other functionalities. It's important to understand the settings menu, as these options allow you to tailor the wallet to fit your specific needs. Making these adjustments ensures that your experience with Samsung Wallet is seamless and suits your lifestyle. From there, tap Quick Access. This section is where you can modify how you access your wallet quickly. Quick Access is a vital feature because it allows you to set up shortcuts to your cards and payment methods, making your transactions faster. Configuring this setting means you can swiftly reach the features you use most without unnecessary navigation. Don't hesitate to explore this option thoroughly. Next up, tap Swipe Up Gesture or Quick Access and Default Card. This option allows you to define what happens when you perform the swipe up action from the bottom of your screen. Choosing this setting is significant because it helps streamline your access to the Samsung Wallet. You can adjust which card or feature is prioritized, enhancing the efficiency of your payment process. You will notice some immediate changes once you make selections here. After that, turn home screen, lock screen, or screen off on or off. Here you can customize where the swipe up shortcut will work. This means you can decide if you want to access your wallet from the home screen, lock screen, or even when the screen is off. This customization is important because it gives you the flexibility to access your wallet in various situations, ensuring that you have quick access when you need it most. Tailoring these settings can save you time and effort in your daily transactions. Remember, while Samsung Wallet allows you to adjust these shortcuts, you cannot assign the swipe-up gesture to a different app. This limitation is essential to keep in mind as you make your changes. It ensures that your wallet remains easily accessible without compromising security. Keeping your shortcuts straightforward will also help you avoid confusion as you navigate your device. Now that you have all the steps, you should feel confident in customizing your Samsung Wallet shortcuts. This will enhance your user experience, making payments more efficient. Thank you for following along and enjoy your seamless transactions with Samsung Wallet.